Hi! In the previous video, I showed you how to create a bootable Windows 11 on a Mac. We installed the entire system on an external USB drive, which was completely formatted in the NTFS file system. This creates many problems if you also want to use the drive on a Mac. To fix this, we'll create a new partition in the exFAT file system, which is compatible with both Windows and macOS. To do this, simply right-click on Start and open Disk Management. As you can see, the entire drive has an EFI boot partition and a Win11 partition, which we need to divide. Right-click on it and select Shrink Volume. Next, choose by how many MB you want to shrink the Windows partition. I don't recommend shrinking it to the maximum value, as this could cause issues with RAM paging, especially in games that require a large amount of RAM. You might think that you can assign the new partition you're creating for this purpose, but from what I've noticed, it may not work properly. So, leave some extra space to avoid issues like unexpected game crashes to the desktop. Then, click Shrink. As you can see, the Windows partition has been successfully resized. Now, right-click on the newly created partition and select New Simple Volume. Click Next 3 times. Now, you need to change the file system to exFAT and name your new partition. Then, click Next and Finish. The newly created partition is now ready to be used on both macOS and Windows. However, when you next boot into Windows, you may encounter the error, Unmountable Boot Volume, which is related to the partition resizing you just performed. Therefore, it's best to immediately run a startup repair. To do this, right-click on Start and go to System. Then go to Recovery. Click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Don't forget to press the Option key during boot and select the external drive. In Advanced Startup, unfortunately, you need to connect a wired mouse or keyboard. Click Troubleshoot. Then, Advanced Options and Startup Repair. That's all. Now, in macOS, after connecting the external drive, 2 partitions will load. The one you formatted in exFAT can easily serve as your additional space for both macOS and Windows simultaneously. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.